I grabbed these knit hats at the Dollar Tree. With a pair of scissors, I cut out all the circular shapes, which gave me about 6 of them. I took in my mason jar lids and I took the flatter inner circle part and I hot glued the shape showing, making sure that I got all that in the circular area to the lid. Now this is a double layered piece of fabric, so you want to get the bottom layer and the top layer. The 2 layers helped me a lot with making them fit nice and snug into the ring of the mason jar lid. I now cut out any extra fabric once it was glued in place. I then took my ring and put a little bit of glue on the interior of it and put the center of the lid inside my rim. I took some cardboard and another interior rim and made circles, and this is going to be my backing. I found these little hangers that had a little squiggly look to them, curvy look. They were kind of pretty. And I tied one to some jute. And with a glue gun, I wrapped the jute around the edge of the mason jar lid. And I just wrapped till it was filled to the point that I felt that it had a nice look to it. So you just want to wrap till you have a desired look. And I made sure I glued it every now and then to make sure that it adhered well. And there's my hanger. I found these little words at Target. They're in that beginning section there with a lot of the inexpensive trinkets. And some of them said believe, merry, bright, Christmas. And I took some of the words and I hot glued them to the center of my knit snowflake. And just an added touch, I found these pipe cleaners that were in a greenery form, and I just wrapped them around the tip. And that's basically it. I found the pipe cleaner at Hobby Lobby. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go subscribe to our YouTube channel and chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you.